Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today's pick is a pool cleaner, which is part of a new generation of pool cleaners meant to revolutionize pool keeping and make it effortless. Say goodbye to the pool boy and strenuous pool keeping. Keep your pool sparkling clean with the AIPER SEAGULL PLUS, the cordless and rechargeable pool cleaner that makes pool maintenance hassle-free. Forget about dealing with messy pool hoses and tangled cables. The SEAGULL Plus is 100% cordless and doesn't need to be connected to your pool filter to operate. Featuring powerful dual-drive motors, the SEAGULL Plus effectively removes all kinds of debris, from leaves and insects to dirt and stones. Its bottom brush ensures thorough cleaning of your pool, leaving no area untouched. Using the SEAGULL Plus is a breeze. Simply power on the unit, drop it into the water, and let it do the rest. The filter tray is easy to clean, and the unit comes with a retrieving hook that allows for easy removal from the pool without getting wet. With inbuilt smart technology, the SEAGULL Plus makes pool cleaning even easier. When the battery is low or after completing a cleaning cycle, the unit parks near the pool wall for easy retrieval. The SEAGULL Plus also comes with a 220-volt power adapter, bottom brush, rotor, and user manual. Say goodbye to crimped hoses and messy pool filters. The AIPER SEAGULL Plus is the portable, efficient, and easy-to-use solution to keeping your pool clean and enjoyable all season long. If you like content like this, make sure to give us a like and also subscribe to our channel for more cool innovative products like this designed to make your life a lot easier. Until next time, thank you for watching.